In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word references effectively, a crucial skill for students, professionals, and anyone looking to create polished and well-organized documents. Understanding how to navigate and utilize Word's reference functions can greatly enhance your document's credibility and overall presentation. So, buckle up as we embark on this journey to master Word's referencing capabilities. All within just about 5 minutes. Let's kick things off by launching Microsoft Word on your computer. Begin by clicking the Windows Start menu, that little icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen, often represented by the Windows logo. This is your gateway to finding any application on your PC. Once you've clicked the Start menu, your next move is to locate Microsoft Word. You can easily do this by typing Word into the search bar that appears. As you begin to type, search results will start to populate. From these, you want to locate and click on Microsoft Word. Typically, it's represented by the iconic blue document symbol with a big W on it. After clicking on Microsoft Word, the program will open, bringing you to the Word home. Here, you have a couple of options to start with. You can either select a blank document to start afresh, or choose from any of the recent documents listed based on what you need to work on. This choice is crucial as it sets the foundation for your work moving forward. Now, with your document open and ready, it's time to delve into the core of today's tutorial, the References feature. You'll find the References tab at the top menu of Microsoft Word. This tab is your control panel for adding citations, bibliographies, footnotes, endnotes, and a host of other reference-related elements to your document. It's a powerful tool that enhances the authenticity and credibility of your work. Once you've located and clicked on the References tab, your attention should be drawn towards the Style option. This is where you can select the referencing style that best suits your document's needs. Microsoft Word offers various styles, including APA, MLA, Chicago, among others. Choosing the right style is essential as it dictates how your citations and bibliography will be formatted. It's always best to consult with your publication, institution, or organization guidelines on the required referencing style. Understanding and utilizing the references function in Microsoft Word is like holding the keys to a treasure chest of writing excellence. It not only helps in organizing citations, but also ensures consistency and accuracy in your document's bibliography. This is particularly useful in academic writing, research papers, and professional documents where attributing credit to original sources is paramount. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Regularly save your document to avoid losing any work, especially after adding several references. Also, exploring additional features under the References tab, such as inserting a table of contents or utilizing the Researcher tool, can further enhance your document's quality and integrity. Wrapping up, mastering the References feature in Microsoft Word is an invaluable skill that improves the quality of your document significantly. From selecting the right referencing style to accurately citing sources, these capabilities ensure your work is not only polished, but also respects intellectual property rights through proper acknowledgements. I hope this tutorial has shed light on how to efficiently use Microsoft Word references, making your document creation process smoother and more productive. Remember, practice is key. Experiment with different types of documents to get comfortable with these features. Happy writing, and until next time, keep exploring the endless possibilities within Microsoft Word.